Hi, this is Jale Sarhadi. अगर आप मुझे मज़ीद जानना चाहते हैं तो you can watch me on Late Night with Sohail Hashmi only on Visual Works YouTube पे. Go check it out. देर किस बात की?
It is so good to see you. My name is Sohail Hashmi, and of course, this is Late Night. We have a very, very special actor, host, singer, so many things that she does in the industry. Absolutely beautiful woman. What lovely hair. Or just you see what she has to say over here at Late Night. This is Jale Sarhadi, ladies and gentlemen. The lovely Jale Sarhadi. Hello, my dear. How are you?
I am very well, Sohail. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. You are looking stunning and beautiful
Thank
as
you
ever.
so much. Thank you.
And I really love what you're wearing.
Oh, thank you. This is like a shirt from Desigual. This is a very creative brand, which ऐसा लगता है कि सारी चीजें उनकी painted हैं.
It's going nicely with your watch if you
It
show
is,
me.
yes.
Oh, yes, lovely.
I haven't gone back from जब से मैंने ये घड़ी ली है उसके बाद से there's no घड़ी that I like. So ये मैं इसका बस strap change करती रहती हूँ and I try to be a little mitchy matchy.
Many, many years ago, about 100 years ago, when I was slightly younger, slightly, I met you, and now you are a film star.
Am I?
जितना भी पाकिस्तान में हो सकता है, you are a film star. In fact, there's so many movies that you've done. I want to just first of all talk currently about Karma,
Yeah.
which has been done and it's going to come out. So we're all very excited about it. Tell us a little bit about it, when it's going to come out. Firstly, what you play in that.
Okay.
And when is it going to come out so we can all see it?
So karma as in karma. We all know what karma is. When it bites, it bites.
It just keeps on coming back.
does,
and
it just
it bites.
does.
And it bites in the most awkward places.
Yes, which I really didn't want to mention, but that's
Awkward.
exactly what happens.
Ow.
So, karma का जो हमारी movie का नाम है, that is CAR, which means कि it's basically it's taken out from the car ka karma. Like it's based on a car.
Not with a K, right? Okay.
Not with a K.
ठीक है.
So this karma is basically all about this kidnapping which happens in a car, और mostly इसके scenes जो हैं इस film के वो सारे गाड़ी के अंदर हैं.
अच्छा, is it a comedy or is it a
No,
series?
no, this is a crime caper.
Okay.
Crime caper, thriller, mystery. It falls in that genre.
Alright.
जब आप इसको initially इसका teaser देखा है तो people think that it's an action film. It's more of a drama
Okay, all right.
thingy,
ठीक है.
and it's got a lot of twists and turns. And for me, this is very, very special, is because as a female actor in Pakistan, you don't get to do characters like these.
What character
So
do you play?
I play the leader of a gang, and she is
I love it already. Brilliant.
yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, I know you don't want to say too much because people have to see it, but this is
Yes,
really
this
good.
this shows in the teaser, so I'm not giving away much. But this is something which I did not have to resist. You know, as an actor, you especially working on TV, there's a lot of resistance. There's a lot of self-censor.
सही.
और वैसे ही चैनल की तरफ से और लोगों की तरफ से बहुत आता है. You can't use certain characters भी ऐसे होते हैं कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा nuance नहीं कर सकते.
ठीक है.
They're very restricted. You know, I call it constipated acting. I'm sorry for using the word, but television पे mostly constipated acting होती है.
I won't say anything because I'm pretty constipated. No,
Yes, it is.
constipated
It
act-
is like
okay.
you're really just holding your breath. It's generally like that.
You know, you're so right. I never looked at that connotation, but you know.
I felt it.
Okay, all right.
So in this, I had all the opportunity and all the freedom to act however I wanted to. And the director was fantabulous. He's a new person in this field. His name is Kashan Admani. He's actually a musician.
Yes.
Yes, and he's fairly popular in his genre.
Right.
He's done a lot of videos, but अब इन्होंने web की तरफ and productions की तरफ आना शुरू किया.
Right, right. Okay. Now, when do you think this will come out? Because I've already got really excited about it.
So are we, like,
And as you can
supremely.
see all the crowd here and these people like, you know, hey, we got to see this. I want to see you as a
Crazy person.
as a villain hero, heroine,
Crazy
yeah,
person. I'm like totally psychotic in it. So this is expected to release end of this year or beginning of next year, because we're working quite a bit on the post production, the editing, the sound, the music, because I said he's originally a musician, so he wants it all to be perfect before it comes out. So हम लोगों ने पहले इसको release करना था ईद पे, but हमने delay किया है
ठीक है.
because we, like I said, wanted to be as per, when we wanted to be a little shorter also. We don't want the typical Pakistani 2.5 घंटे की Indian film जो होती है वो ना हो, जल्दी जल्दी हो, fast paced हो,
You know what
engage
it is?
रखे.
I'll tell you what it is. You know, less is more. If you leave the audience thinking, okay, oh, I wish it would have been longer, and we love it.
Yeah, that's
That
your win.
is the feeling. Not कि जी इतना हो गया कि जी okay जी बस अभी, you know.
Yeah.
I think it's a very good philosophy.
Yeah.
If that is the way that they're thinking about it.
I'm glad I'm working with sensible people, because they're very hard to find.
Lekin, with what has happened all over the world, we've been waiting for this James Bond movie to come out for about 3 years now.
Yeah.
And I think वो trailers दिखा के पूरी James Bond movie हमें पता चल जाएगी.
हमारा जो रोना है ना अभी, I don't want to say the word, the
Yeah.
virus, the Rona is not stopping ना. जब वो रुकेगा तो फिर चीज़ें शुरू होंगी. I think दुनिया अब जरा खुलना शुरू हुई है.
The Rona
but
Corona.
The Rona Corona. इसका कोरोना का रोना पता नहीं और क्या क्या चीज़ें और निकल आएंगी उसके बाद. But let's hope that happens, so we get to see all these films that you said. Like, I'm actually waiting for the new Batman.
Right.
I'm really waiting for that.
He was here about a couple of hours ago. He's asking about you.
Really, I'm sure he
Where's
was.
Charlie? I'm going to find him.
Well, I'll touch base with him right after the show.
Touch base. Okay. Now, the other thing I want to talk to you about is Yo Daddy.
Yes.
When he was alive.
My actual father.
Yes, your actual father, yes. He actually, I met him many years ago when I was doing radio at 89, and he was a very exuberant gentleman. I feel that hopefully if and when I do get to his age, I would be able to, at that time, I'd be able to be as exuberant. And he sung this song, and it was such a big hit on radio. Of course, you carry the genes. Are you inspired by him, or what are your views on
I
him
have
now?
totally been inspired by my dad
Right.
throughout my life.
Oh,
You know, I
fantastic.
actually went into my studies were totally an inspiration from him. I wanted to become an architect. He was an architect, but I couldn't get into that, so I did my fine arts. So I'm like a painting major,
Okay.
a psychology minor type situation here.
Acha.
And then all of us sing in our family. You know, मेरे father की side से, मेरी paternal side से, everyone's into arts, whether it's visual or performing, they've all been into it. So my dad wasn't just an architect, he was an actor. And in fact, he did just one project. He did like a serial and he won an award, Best Actor award from everywhere. And I haven't still.
Acha,
And I've done
wow.
multiple and I still haven't won any awards. Like, what's that all about? So yeah, so and he...
You don't need to win any awards.
I do.
Look at you. You are an award yourself.
Well,
pretty
we
and
can
so
have to ask my
lovely
husband that.
and-
I don't think he thinks like that, but
How many years have you been married?
I've been married for 14 years now. It's been a while.
Well, at least for the first year, he thought you were the most
I-
beautiful woman that he's ever met in his whole life.
Yeah, the honeymoon period. Yeah, well, I think while it lasts, things are hunky dory.
When are you going for your second honeymoon? With the same
I think
husband.
in a week's time हम लोग और तो कहीं जा नहीं सकते. हम शायद दुबई चले जाएं land.
Is he
in Dubai.
secretly Batman, your husband?
Amir? No. He's not. He's straight up whatever he is. I don't think he has any secret life or alter ego. No. He's just what he is.
It's so nice to see you so happy and cheerful. I mean, of course, from seeing me, of course, one has to be like that, or one becomes.
Yes.
towards
Catching
people like
energies,
that.
huh? Catching energies.
I just wanted to see, what are your views on the whole of the media industry at the moment? कहाँ से हम निकले? PTV से, rehearsals, ये वो सब कुछ, time, तमीज़, and to where we've got now.
Yeah.
अब आगे सेट पे ये जी आपका स्क्रिप्ट है, कर लें, ठीक है? Okay, everybody, let's do it in 5 minutes. I'm sure this hasn't happened to you, or it may have happened to you.
Yeah.
What do you think of all this? What do you think has happened to the media industry?
So I think we've become a factory and just churning out stuff. Like it's more quantity than quality.
Right.
And I think a very cliched thing, everyone speaks about it, but I have been fairly lucky that I've actually chosen to work with people who are not like that. To this day, we have rehearsals. To this day, we have cast meetups, so we get to know whoever we're working with. I just finished a project for Hum TV, and Mohsin Talat was a director who's a fantabulous director, an amazing human being. And the entire serial was like 50 or so episodes, and I barely had worked with anyone in the cast. So we had a cast meetup, we had reading sessions, and throughout the project we all sat down every day, went through all the scenes जो हम करने वाले हैं. We had, as actors, we generally don't have an input, you know, in the making of something, because वो आपके ऊपर सिर्फ enforce कर दिया जाता है. But with this particular project, everyone had a say in it. It was such a fun, lovely, but this doesn't happen often. So where you're coming from is absolutely right. PTV के ज़माने में 3 कैमरा शूट होती थी. You had to have rehearsals. Then उस वक्त चैनल भी एक होता था. और जब ये केबल नेटवर्क आना शुरू हुआ तो शुरू में they tried to maintain that, but then they couldn't.
Right.
So it's not like the quality everywhere has gone down. Now people's way has changed also. The one thing that I feel is lagging is different. The content is not you know very out of the box. It's the same stories, the same rigmarole, वही 3 चीज़ों को बार रिपीट किया जाता है. So अगर हम थोड़ी सी स्टोरीज में you know इजाफा करना शुरू कर दें और you know बढ़ा दें, टॉपिक्स बढ़ा दें. मतलब आई एम लाइक कितनी मरतबा आप एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर दिखाएंगे, मतलब वही लव ट्रायंगल, चाहे वो लड़कियाँ 2 हो जाएं या लड़के 2 हो जाएं, इट्स द सेम थिंग.
Yes, of course. Looking at you. Looking at you. And the way you look.
Yeah. After years of mehnat वैसे. हाँ.
You haven't done anything to yourself.
Not really.
Achha. Not really.
Not really.
Unreal things you've done, but real things you haven't done.
Yeah, possibly. Unreal to we all are, na? Who's real? What is the paradigm for realness or normality?
A question for the audience. What is the paradigm for realness? Please do put your comments below. We'd love to hear from you.
Please do.
Being in the industry for such a long time, people, of course, must be, I'm not just going to say men, but let's say men. Do they hit on you? Is there a casting couch situation here?
Okay, so there is a casting couch situation here. I fortunately have not been a victim of it. I mean, I've been, I won't say a victim, but people have hit on me, and I have a strange persona. Okay, so initially people thought that this was because of Khayyam Chacha. But Khayyam Chacha was based in Lahore, I was in Karachi. मेरा पहला नाम इतना difficult है, सरहदी तक कोई पहुंचता ही नहीं था. But एक आध को मैंने सुना दी शुरू में, you know, people hit on me and they tried to be fresh with me or something, and I gave it to them. And then they have this little clique. All these slimy people have a clique, okay? They have like slimy people, okay? And they have like a conversation going on that they keep on telling each other that this one is okay, let's just, you know, we can hit on her and she'll be. इससे मत करें. So मेरी बहुत initially in the get go ये बात फैल गई थी कि इसके साथ कोई फायदा नहीं है. अगर चमाट खानी है या सुननी है, खरी सुननी है तो फिर. So there was no casting couch, there was no blatant hitting on me for years and years, no, nothing like that.
Have you done a chamat?
Have I done a what?
Chamat.
I have, yes.
Achha.
Yeah.
Okay.
I do kickboxing also. I've done taekwondo also. I'm quite fierce.
I suddenly feel very safe with you.
Good.
I feel like I could go out with you and you could protect me.
Yeah.
You know, we could, if anyone says anything to me or you'll just kickbox.
I mean, I can verbally do that also. I don't have to use physical strength, but yeah.
I would like to see that, but don't want to be too curvy about that. But yeah, okay, so this is good. Okay, one of the next segments that I would like to do with you is a segment that we call Film Noir.
Film Noir, okay.
तो उसमें ये होता है कि we go back into the 60s or the 70s or whatever, black and white, when I click my fingers and we start. And we do a skit for about a minute or a minute and a half.
Awesome.
Would you be happy to do that?
I'm totally game.
I can't wait.
I actually wanted to do improv
Achha.
once upon a time. that never happened. So here's my
Here,
chance.
here it is. Here it is.
Here's my chance.
All I have to do is this.
अरे बाजी वाह.
Hello, dear.
जी.
My name is Simon. I'm from London. I want to produce a film here in Pakistan.
प्रोडक्शन.
Yes.
प्रोडक्शन करना चाह रहे हैं आप यहाँ पे. अच्छा जी, तो फिल्म का आपको पता है ना कि मैं फिल्म एक्ट्रेस हूँ.
Oh, yeah. I want you to be to act as a heroine.
सुनो, कोई है जो मुझे बता दे कि क्या बोल रहा है. मुझे थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है, बस ज़्यादा नहीं आती.
हम चाहते हैं कि आप फिल्म में हमारा काम
जी,
करें.
तो मैं फिल्मों में काम करती हूँ जी. बहुत बहुत नंबर 1 एक्ट्रेस ऑफ पाकिस्तान. आपने तो सुना ही होगा, देखा भी होगा.
आपकी आवाज़ बड़ी familiar है.
हाँ जी, ऑफ कोर्स. मैं तो रेडियो पे भी आ चुकी हूँ, गा चुकी हूँ, टीवी पे भी गाती हूँ, डांस भी करती हूँ, सब आता है मुझे करना. कोई करके दिखाऊं?
आप डांस भी कर सकती हैं.
जी, सबसे अच्छा बताया मैंने आपको, नंबर 1 सारे अवार्ड शोज में मैं होती हूँ जी.
Do you also sing?
जी.
Do you also sing? आप गाती भी हैं?
जी
Yeah, do
बिल्कुल,
you-
बहुत अच्छा गाती हूँ जी.
अच्छा.
अभी वैसे मूड नहीं है मेरा.
अच्छा. तो
जी.
thank you very much indeed for that. बड़ी
पैसे कितने हैं आपके पास?
अभी तक तो let me check.
नहीं, जेब में नहीं. वैसे जो आपने फिल्म बनानी है ना, तो उसके लिए तो काफ़ी सारा माल वाल चाहिए होता है. तो आप मुझे ज़रा बताइएगा कि आपका कारोबार क्या है, क्या करते हैं आप? बिजनेसमैन हैं?
बिजनेसमैन. हम 7 करोड़ रुपए इस फिल्म पे लगाना चाहते हैं.
अच्छा, 7 करोड़ रुपए बहुत कम लग रहा है मुझे ये.
अच्छा, तो
7 करोड़ में तो सिर्फ जो है आपका इंटरवल तक चलेगा. इसके आगे की फिल्म फिर कैसे बनेगी? फिर गाने शाने भी होते हैं, कपड़े शपड़े भी होते हैं. देखिए, मैं तो कवाली टाइप सिचुएशन जो है ना वो पहनती हूँ. इधर उधर के डिज़ाइनर्स मुझे बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आते.
I think that we'll have a problem then. मतलब I don't have more than 7.
मतलब मसला
I'll have to go. I'm sorry. मतलब
किधर गो आप? मतलब आज सुनिए जी, आप पाकिस्तान में फिल्म बनाने आए हैं, नंबर 1 एक्ट्रेस ऑफ पाकिस्तान के साथ आप बात कर रहे हैं और आप कह रहे हैं 7 करोड़. कौन है भैया? इसको बोलो इधर से जाए वाए, मतलब लेकर आओ. मेरी 10 बजे वाली अपॉइंटमेंट जो है उससे बात करनी है मुझे.
You didn't give me a chance to speak. You're fantastic.
It was so much fun. Thank you so much.
मुझे नहीं, thank you so much. मुझे कुछ ना कुछ करना नहीं पड़ा. You took the whole route. You took the whole route. Brilliant.
मुझे भी बनना है ना. लॉलीवुड तो वैसे ही बनना है, लेकिन लॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस भी बनना है.
Actually, now, as you were speaking, I noticed, and I don't want to be that cheeky. I can't be as cheeky as all of these people around me, but you sing.
Yes, I do. I love singing.
Would you do me a little favor and maybe just gungunawing something?
No, absolutely.
singing
I was
something?
waiting
Would
when
you
you
do
were
that?
going to ask me this. Like, what is this? Every time I'm just kidding. I love singing. I've actually, मेरे उस्ताद भी हैं. So I practice also. I've got a harmonium and all of that. So, you know,
Oh,
legit.
that sort of stuff. You do that sort of stuff.
I don't do anything. I can only do the chords.
अच्छा.
मतलब मुझे बजाना नहीं आता. But
Right.
ये कि मैं, it helps me practice.
Okay, all right. So as and when you're ready, and whatever you would like to.
Okay, so there's
sing.
Afri, this version that Momna Mustahsan sung. So
Okay.
little bit उनका जो है मुझे बहुत पसंद है. And I haven't sung it anywhere, and I've been practicing that. So
Please.
okay. जाने कैसी बांधी तूने अखियों की डोर, मन मेरा खिंचा चलाया तेरी ओर. मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों की शाम, मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम. नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो ही ये जादू हुआ, होने लगी हूँ मैं हंसी. आफरी आफरी आफरी.
He thought you were singing just for him.
He did?
Yes,
Aww.
he did. Yes. We're gonna go to another. This is absolutely delightful here with you. Really delightful.
Thank you so much. It all matters who's sitting on the other side. I mean, you don't actually get people who interview you or have a chit chat who are so casual and nice and let it flow. It's all very regimental. Mostly.
We are very lucky because when like-minded people get together. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but then I met a very intelligent young man. They're so young these
Yes,
days.
absolutely. And he's now exploring his talents
And now
much.
the mind meld,
Yeah.
even though I'm about 90 years older than him, it's pretty good. Pretty good, the situation. If you're late, it doesn't matter, but at least it actually happened.
There's no such thing as late.
Aja?
There isn't.
That will be something very nice for all the men to hear. There is nothing like
Nope.
being late. Okay, thank you so much indeed.
Thank you.
That's very, very heartwarming to all the
Absolutely.
men in the world. There's nothing like
Women
being
too,
late.
okay? Women too.
Okay,
And
bilkul,
all
theek.
the other genders.
Okay, now what I would also like to do is, because you have so many fans, and is there anything from this platform that you would like to
Say to them?
Say to them, something that you'd like to, talk from this platform? Do give a message if you feel that you'd like to give a message.
So, मैं बस यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि अभी जो है एक्सेसिबिलिटी विद एक्टर्स जो है वो बढ़ गई है. वो एक जो पर्दादारी होती थी हमारे बीच में और आपके बीच में, वो अब ख़त्म हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. एंड पीपल कम ऑन सोशल्स और बहुत सारी बातें आके हमसे कहते हैं. आई लव कम्युनिकेटिंग विद एवरी वन. आई लव नोइंग वट पीपल आर थिंकिंग अबाउट माई वर्क, वट दे वॉन्ट टू सी मी डूइंग नेक्स्ट. बट जब आप आके ज़ातियात पे और पर्सनल चीज़ों पे कॉमेंटरी करते हैं, इट रियली शोज़ हु यू आर. मैं जैसे पहले भी कहा था कि इट डजंट अफेक्ट मी personally, but if you do it to me, a person who's relatively a stranger to you, you do it to people in the real life also, to your neighbor, to a friend, to a relative, and it actually affects mentally. अगर आप किसी को गोरा काला बॉडी शेमिंग कर रहे हैं, या आप किसी की ज़ातियात पे अगली हो, खूबसूरत हो, जो भी आपने बात उनको कही है, it leaves a mental strain on that person, and that's not right, and that's a responsibility that you have. मुझे पता है कि मुझे बहुत सारे फ़ैन्स आके कोई गलत बात करते हैं और मैं उनको कभी जवाब दे दूं तो उनका फिर डीएम में मुझे ये बात आती है कि आप जब हमको अच्छी बात करते हैं तो आप जवाब नहीं देती हैं, और कोई गलत बात करते हैं तो फ़ौरन अटेंशन होती है. सो दीज पीपल जनरली डू इट फॉर द अटेंशन. बट व्हाई डू यू वांट दैट काइंड ऑफ अटेंशन? आई मीन just be nice and kind towards people. I mean, I would never come and say anything bad to you. If you come and meet me in real life, want a picture, say anything, have a conversation with me, I'll be ready to do that. But then I remember faces जिन्होंने बातें गलत की हैं कभी और किसी और को भी बुरा कहा है. I remember that, and I will not be very courteous towards you. So don't do that to people in real life and to stars in general. That's the only thing that I would like to say here.
I remember, and I will remember you, and I will come and find you. And when I find you...
I am Liam Neeson.
Reminds me of the film Taken.
Yes.
I tell you. Thank you so much. It
Thank
has been
you so
such a pleasure.
Pleasure was all mine.
Speaking to you, and I wish you, your career, and your family all the blessings that God is going to give to you. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful Jale Sarvadi. I shall see you again next week. In the meantime, do take care of yourself. Thank you. God bless.